everyone thought Robinhood was just a trading app. I think they're looking at the wrong company. Because what Robinhood just launched could completely change the future of investing. And Wall Street may be underestimating what's happening. Let's talk about it. Less than 3 weeks ago, Robinhood launched something called agentic trading. And already, more than 50,000 users have signed up. Not 50,000 new customers, 50,000 AI-powered accounts, managing millions of dollars every single day. And that's why $HOOD has exploded roughly 42% since the launch. Shares are now trading around $108, giving Robinhood a market cap approaching $100 billion. But here's what makes this story so fascinating. These aren't traditional trading bots. Users can connect third-party AI agents through Robinhood's MCP server, fund a dedicated account, and allow AI to research, trade, rebalance portfolios, and even execute option strategies based on user-defined rules. In other words, your AI assistant can now manage your portfolio. CEO Vlad Tenev summed it up perfectly. The AI agent that runs your life can now run your portfolio. Think about that. For decades, sophisticated investing was reserved for hedge funds. Now Robinhood is putting autonomous trading into the hands of ordinary investors. And this may only be the beginning, because options, crypto, futures, prediction markets, and event contracts are all coming next. Robinhood isn't trying to build another brokerage. They're building an AI financial operating system. Now here's the break. Whenever money and artificial intelligence collide, people get nervous, and rightfully so, because AI trading comes with risks, hallucinations, system failures, unauthorized trades, regulatory concerns, which is why Robinhood built safeguards into the platform. Dedicated agentic accounts, push notifications, real-time monitoring, instant disconnect buttons, fraud detection teams, and emergency kill switches. The company understands one thing: trust matters, because without trust, none of this works. And despite concerns, Wall Street appears increasingly bullish. Analysts continue raising price targets. Some see as much as $155 per share. And the fundamentals remain strong. Assets continue growing. Trading activity remains robust. The company just announced a 10% workforce reduction, saving roughly $120 million annually. Not because Robinhood is weak, but because management wants to stay lean and focused as AI becomes the next growth engine. Meanwhile, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has been selling shares. But here's the interesting part. Robinhood still remains one of ARK's largest positions, which suggests this may be profit-taking, not abandonment. And that brings us to the bigger question. What if Robinhood isn't competing against Charles Schwab, or Interactive Brokers, or even Coinbase? What if they're competing against financial advisors themselves? Because if AI agents eventually become good enough, millions of people may never need to actively manage their own portfolios again. And suddenly, Robinhood transforms from a brokerage platform into the company powering autonomous finance. That sounds crazy, but so did self-driving cars and AI-generated software. And yet, here we are, because the biggest opportunities often look ridiculous in the beginning. And right now, Robinhood may be quietly building one of the most disruptive products in fintech history.